Okay, on number 5 and 6, we need to remember the vertex form. Remember, this is on your formula chart. So your vertex form is f of x equals a parentheses x minus h squared plus k. The a is your compress or stretch. The h is left or right. And remember, the h is minus and the k is up or down. And remember, if your a is negative, it reflects it across the x-axis, right? So if we have a negative a, we're going to reflect. Okay, so we're just going to go through and read these and just plug into this formula. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 transformations. A horizontal compression by a factor of 3, which is going to be my a. So I'm going to write down y equals, and then I'm going to put my a is 3. Now then, a horizontal shift left 6 is a negative 6, but when we put it in here, we'll have a positive 6, won't we? Squared, and then a vertical shift up 2, that's my k, plus 2, piece of cake. Now then, I need to switch this to standard, so I'm going to do x plus 6 to the second power. We need to remember the trick. X to the second is x squared, 6 to the second is plus 36, and then 6 times x is 6x. If you double 6x, you get 12x, and then plus 2. This is what would happen if you did x plus 6 times x plus 6. You would draw your arches, 6x, 6x. You would get x squared plus 12x plus 6, wouldn't you? Got to remember how to do this to go here. Now then, I'm going to distribute my 3. So y equals 3x squared plus 36x plus 108 plus 2. And then I'm going to write my answer over here. I'm going to group these two, aren't I? So y equals 3x squared plus 36x plus 110. And this number right here is going to be my y-intercept. You need to know that for the test. So I read the description, so I made my vertex form, and I switched it to standard. Got to be able to do that. Okay, on the next one, write down y equals the reflection across the x-axis makes my a term negative. A vertical compression by a factor of 1/2, that means it's going to get wider or flatter. And a vertical shift down 4, that means I'm not going to need the parentheses. If I don't go left or right, I don't need the parentheses, but I'm going to go down 4. And this right here is also standard. So y equals negative 1/2 x squared minus 4. Okay, so this is my vertex form and my standard form because I did not move it left or right. And remember, this negative 4 is also going to be our y-intercept, isn't it?